Yes, students. In this session, we will learn how we need to convert octal number system to decimal number system and hexadecimal number system to decimal number system. We have already seen how a binary number system is being converted to decimal number system with this arrow. Anything on the left hand side, you started with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Similarly, on the right hand side, -1, -2, -3, minus. We'll take a small example, 34.23 base 8. We want to convert it into a decimal number system. Always remember this arrow. On the left hand side, we have to write 4 base, whatever is the base, raised to power 0, plus 3 into 8 raised to power 1, whatever is the base, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And on the right hand side, number 2, 8 raised to power minus 1, plus 3 into 8 raised to power minus 2. Now we'll solve it. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. We have 4. 8 3s are 24 plus 28. 2 by 8 plus 3 by 64. We can add them and the final number will be a base 10 number. This is how we can convert an octal number system into decimal number system. Another case is the hexadecimal number system. In it we can have 3a.4b. This is hexadecimal number system. We want to convert it into a decimal number system. That we have done it in octal number system in a similar fashion. Remember this arrow. A multiplied by base raised to power 0 plus 3 into base raised to power 1 plus 4 into base raised to power minus 1 plus b into base raised to minus 2. Okay. Now we'll solve it. 16 into 3 plus a is 10 into anything raised to power 0 is 1 plus 4 by 16. B is 11. 16 raised to minus 2 is 256. You can solve it and final answer you will get in the base 10. This is how we can convert an octal number system to decimal number system, hexadecimal number system to decimal number system, and base 2 binary number system into hexadecimal number system. You can try any of the problems that you want. I will also give you a few questions. Now, we want to convert decimal number system to binary number system. How we can do it? Suppose this is an example of 13. This is in base 10. We want to convert it into base 2. Because we want to convert it into base 2, we have to write 2 here. Now convert it. 2 6 are 12, remain the 1. 2 3 are 6 0. 2 1s are 2 and 1 remain. Starting from bottom, 1101 is the final answer in a base 2. We have converted 13 from base 2 to base 10 to base 2. Supposingly there is a question like this. You want to convert 13.65625 base 10 number to base 2 binary number. 13 we have already done, 1101. We have to do it in a similar fashion. 1101 is already done. Okay, now we want this part. How you can find this part? Multiply this part, fraction number, with 2. Why 2? Because we want to convert it into base 2. Supposingly we want to convert it into base 8, you can multiply it by 8. You want to multiply base 16, you want to convert it into base 16, you can multiply it by 16. We will also see another example. 0.62625 into 2, this will give us 1.3125. Whatever is there on the left hand side of the radix, just save it and convert it into 0 like this. Okay, again multiply it by 2. Whatever is on the left, save it, again multiply it by 2. Whatever is on the left, save it, and again multiply it by 2, and so on. The final answer is 10101. 10101. Left hand side we have already calculated. Now the right hand side is 10101. This is the final answer of decimal number system to base 2 number. This is another example. You can solve it for 10.625 into this thing. Another example. Again another example. Now supposing the number that comes to your mind is, earlier we have done it decimal to base 2. Now I want to tell you decimal number. Let us suppose you have taken 16.25. 16.25. This is decimal number system. You want to convert it into octal number system, or you can say hexadecimal number. First we will solve it for octal, then we can solve it for hexadecimal number system. 16, you can factorize it with 8 because we want to convert it into 8. 8 2s are 16, 0. We can start from bottom. This is 20 base 8. This part is over. Now you want to convert this 0.25 into multiplied by 8. Multiplied by 8 because we want to convert it into 8. Earlier we used to do it with the multiplication by 2 because we wanted the final answer in the base 2. Now 8 5s are 25 into 8. You can simply say it is 2.00. Now save this part. This is 2. Again there is no need to multiply because already the right hand side is having 0 0. So final answer of this question is 20 is already calculated. This is 2. This is 20.2 in a base 8 system. Similarly for hexadecimal number system, 16, fraction it by 16. 16 ones are 16, 0. 16 ones are 16, 0. This is 1 0. Now the 0.25 part, 0.25 multiplied by 16. What will be the answer? 16 5 0, 80, 0, 8, 16 to 32, and 16 to 32 and plus 8 is 4. Save this part 4 and multiply. No need to multiply it by 0 0 because it will also give you answer 0. Final answer is 4, which is in the term of 16. Okay, this is how we can convert decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. Okay. After that, we can see how a base 8 number is converted to binary number and base 16 to binary and vice versa, or we can say how we can convert base 8 to 16 and 16 to base 2. We have octal number system as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. They have equivalent number. We can write with the weights. Weight is 2 raised to a 0, 2 raised to a 1, 2 raised to a 2, 2 raised to a 3. 2 raised to a 0 is, anything raised to a 0 is 1.